अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखने का शौक़ है और आप ये वर्ड गलत बोलते हैं, मतलब इनफॉर्मल बोलते हैं, तो आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे इनके फॉर्मल वर्ड्स, मतलब जो आप गलत बोलते हैं हम आपको वो आज सही करके बताएंगे। दोस्तों, यूँ ही आसानी इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको हमारी मज़ीद वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन, इनफॉर्मल वर्सेस फॉर्मल वर्ड्स। इनफॉर्मल, फॉर्मल। आस्क, आस्क। इंक्वायर, आस्क की जगह आप बोल सकते हैं इंक्वायर, इंक्वायर। आस्क फॉर, आस्क फॉर। रिक्वेस्ट, रिक्वेस्ट। बुक, बुक। रिजर्व, रिजर्व। चेक, check, verify, verify. Get, get. Receive, receive. Help, help. Assist, assist. Need, need. Request. Deal with, deal with. Handle, handle. Tell, tell. Inform, inform. Wait for, wait for. Await, await. Fight, fight. Combat, combat. Use, use. Consume, consume. Go, go. Depart, depart. Say sorry, say sorry. Apologize, apologize. Start, start. Commence, commence. End, terminate, terminate. Try, endeavor, endeavor. Pin down, pin down. Determine, determine. Throw away, throw away. Discard, discard. Make out, make out. Discern, discern. Talk about, talk about. Distribute, give, give. Donate, remove, remove. Eliminate, eliminate. Imagine, imagine. Envisage, envisage. Break out, break out. Erupt, erupt. Get out, get out. Escape, escape. Avoid, avoid. Evade, evade. Go through, go through. Examine, examine. Make up, make up. Fabricate, fabricate. Ease, ease. Facilitate, facilitate. Come off dirt, come off dirt. Follow, follow. Test, test. Experiment, experiment. Break up, break up. Disintegrate, disintegrate. Tough, tough. Difficult, difficult. Explain, explain. Elucidate, elucidate. Set out, set out. Display, display. Throw out, throw out. Eject, eject. Old, old. Elderly, elderly. Say, say. Express, express. Afraid, afraid. Fearful, fearful. In the end, finally, finally. But, however, however. Wrong, wrong. Incorrect, incorrect. Go up, go up. Increase, increase. At first, at first. Initially, initially. Mad, mad. Insane, insane. Lucky, lucky. Fortunate, fortunate. Smart, smart. Intelligent, intelligent. Small, small. Diminutive, diminutive. Cheap, cheap. Inexpensive, inexpensive. दोस्तों, वर्ड बहुत सारे हैं तो इसलिए मैं एक एक बार पढ़ूंगी और आप मेरे पीछे पीछे रिपीट कीजिएगा ताकि आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए। informal, formal. Sick, ill, ask out, invite, go away, leave, free, liberate, liberate, deal with, manage, bad, negative, see, perceive, happy, pleased, give up, quit, older, senior, use, utilize, empty, vacant, enough, sufficient, end, terminate, at once, immediately, look into, investigate, chance, opportunity, opportunity, right, correct, a bit, a little, away, away, absent, let, allow, seem, appear, climb, askant, beat up, escort, assault, eager, avid, call off, cancel, stop, keys, big or large, enormous, help, aid, assist, friendly, amiable, expect, anticipate, fall out, quarrel, speed up, accelerate, okay, acceptable, rich, wealthy, mend, repair, idea, notion, see, observe, leave out, omit, go against, oppose, maybe, perhaps, give, provide, give, supply, say no, reject, free, release, look for, seek, choose, select, buy, purchase, mainly, principally, hungry, famished, childish, immature, dare, challenge, kids, children, settle for, choose, round, circular, pick up, collect, think of, conceive, link up, connect, think about, consider, build, construct, refer to, consult, hurt, damage, go down, decrease, set down, deposit, want, desire, lack, deficiency, show, demonstrate, brave, courageous, get by, survive, so, therefore, put up with, tolerate, sight, vision, young, youthful, get, obtain, need, require, pay back, repay, live, reside, point out, indicate, find out, discover, get away, elude, come in, enter, lively, energetic, clear, transparent, block, undermine, catch up, understood? So my dear friends, it is it for today. I hope आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा इस वीडियो से. Inshallah we will be talking in next video. Take care. Bye for now.